Ever thought about it? Street signs everywhere, they tell our history. Chinese liquor and Portuguese boats, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Liquor and boats, street names make you contemplate. I'm thinking about liquor and boats. Liverpool Lane, sold and cheap, and just a Chinese street name. It means Liverpool Lane. Well-known taverns where good times grew, that's something to think about. Chinese liquor and Portuguese boats, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Liquor and boats, street names make you contemplate. I'm thinking about liquor and boats, liquor and boats. Liverpool Lane, south and cheap, and there's a Chinese street name. It means Liverpool Lane, well-known taverns where good times grew, that's something to think about. Chinese liquor and Portuguese boats, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Liquor and boats, street names make you contemplate. I'm thinking about liquor and boats. In Portuguese, Travessa de Dorna, named after a historical Portuguese boat in an alley not far from the inner harbor. It makes you think about things. Chinese liquor and Portuguese boats, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Liquor and boats, street names make you contemplate. I'm thinking about liquor and boats. Footsteps of the past, stories that didn't last, but the street signs tell a story, all in a tiny little alley of Macau. Chinese liquor and Portuguese boats, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Liquor and boats, street names make you contemplate. I'm thinking about liquor and boats. It's just another tiny little alley in Macau. In Macau, just another tiny little alley in this tiny little city of Macau. Oh Macau, just another tiny little alley, so small but so cool, in a tiny little city, also too damn cool. Of this little spot on the map called Macau.
Okay, this is this little Dorna lane. Some beautiful artwork right here. And it's just this tiny little alley, and we're basically just gonna go meander this way into it. And there's actually some new stuff since the last time I filmed here, which was just not even 2 months ago. And it's still kind of being borne out. So I'm gonna show you what that street is too, and then we're gonna go into the alley. Kind of cool. They also like paint a lot of the electrical stuff too here. So anyways, we're gonna go down Dorna. Okay, actually Merry Christmas 2024 as I upload this video. And at the end of the video, I'll visit Pedro, who's gonna say Merry Christmas to you as well. So that's actually one of the goals, to get it up there today. So so anyways, this is called Dorna Lane. So Dorna Lane, I'll just give you a little bit of a history about the street, but it has a Portuguese name and a Chinese name. The Portuguese name is like this type of boat that was traveled up and down the coast, and kind of a smaller boat in this area. And then the Chinese name is like Liverpool Lane. So so I think this area used to have like a lot of like either made liquor, or they had little liquor taverns. So anyways, the song is Liquor and Boats. So Liquor and Boats. So that's, and I created the music. I wrote the lyrics based on the street name. And then I fed it into AI. So that's what that's all about. So anyways, you've seen the map of Dorna Lane. You've also seen the lyrics now. And now we're going to get into the walk and talk, where I'm going to walk through and show you Dorna Lane. All right, liquor and boats. Okay, so this is Dorna Lane. We're going to fade out like this to try to give you the full. The sun is kind of bright right there. Move out of the sun's way. So this right here, you can see Grand Lisboa Casino way up there. So we're gonna be walking down this alley right here. And then this is, it's called like Our Lady of Amparo. Nossa Senhora de Amparo is the name of that street. Dorna, and then you have this little, see no evil, hear no evil.
Looks like they just put this up, so this is actually blocking it a little bit. But during December, they have something called the light show. So at nighttime, this will be all lit up. So it's kind of blocking the mural, but that's okay. This is temporary for the month of December anyways. There's also some Chinese writing up there too. Okay, so we're gonna keep on meandering down. This street is the Herbalist Street. There's a gelato ice cream. That's the base of our street right there, but actually this street continues on. It kind of, so here's Inventarios. You can sit out here too. And so this will go all the way down. Like that. So we're gonna probably come around in a minute. And they're doing some kind of changes here. We're gonna go down parallel to this and we'll later see what that's all about. Okay, so let's turn back around and we're gonna continue down our street, Dorna. And this is gonna be our Dorna street right here. There's a restaurant here that's kind of well known. We got beef intestines there. You can sit right here. And it looks like they're playing some games here, which is pretty common right there. So you'll see that often. More places to sit. And then this is one of the changes right here. We're gonna come by and take a look at that. Yeah, right there. Usually at nighttime you can see older people kind of hanging out in that spot, which is kind of cool. And then this is some of the new stuff. So I think this one is being storage now. I was wondering what they're gonna do with this, but we could see the entrance over there a little while ago. And last time I was here, I filmed this too. And I think this is storage because I can see Macau station in there. And then this is new right here. This wasn't here before, but they just set it up recently. So we're gonna keep on going down. And then Dorna just keeps going down this way. So we're gonna come out to the end of Dorna, which is right here. And so yeah, this is this little Dorna street. So we basically just went through it like that and down that way. And then if we keep meandering down here, you'll see some kind of interesting stuff, like this old makeshift house, public bathroom down this way, huge giant chair right here. And then you kind of go into some different alleys. This is called Pink Alley right here. And then if we kept going down, this goes into Camila Pissarro, which is a famous 1800s poet. The street is named after a poet from Portugal who lived here in Macau. So let's navigate back this way. And so our target street was this one, Travessa de Dorna, right there. So let's just kind of walk over this way for a moment. If you come over here, there's kind of an endless array of different alleys and apartments. Even a rooftop. I think I can hear somebody up on that rooftop up there. Sounds like Filipinos, the way they're laughing. There's a coffee shop at the end of this street. But we're gonna walk back by it's Sunday today, so this is a restaurant here. It's been popular and here for quite a long time. Got seafood and spaghetti. Okay, and it looks like this one actually has I didn't see all the stuff that they have as a roof up there. So we're gonna walk back down Dorna. A lot of history in here, right? Okay. So kind of a cool little space in here. Okay. So we are gonna go like this, and of course this is back to our target street right here, but we're just gonna meander around a little bit and just kind of show off some of these alleys. So we're on Invernarios. It's a really nice dog. Okay.
定係跳掣，唔係係啲電掣唔啱咩嚇？唔係啊，熟咗咪跳掣咯，唔係啊。
A little bit trick. Okay. So we are going to go around in a circle, but we're also just kind of highlighting some of the stuff that's out and about in here too. It's kind of cool. Another one of those dogs. It's good. Okay, so we're gonna meander down a little bit further. They're selling stuff here. They always sell things here. I think it's usually on Sundays, I think. So anyways, we're a little bit away from our street, but there's a lot of cool stuff in here to photograph. Okay, so we are going to go around just real quick. I film this all the time. It's like Dragon's Secret Society. So there's a street called, in Chinese, it's like Dragon Society, but in English it's like Central Alley. So we're gonna go around this way. That's the cool stuff. Then we're gonna come back to Dorna. But by coming this way, you kind of get a better idea of the neighborhood and different stuff around it. Now we're back at Dorna again. So that's where we started at Dorna Lane, Travessa de Dorna. So this is Dorna, right where we're standing. And then down that way is Dorna as well. All the way down. And then this is Invernarios. So we're just gonna go down. I'm gonna just say hi to my friend Pedro here, who owns a food truck. So we're gonna go see him. Probably gonna film this street later as well. But anyways, that's Dorna. Dorna Lane. Got the best bifana in the whole city.
Thank you.
Right here.
Hello, how are you guys?
So food truck, and this is Pedro.
Merry Christmas.
And it's Christmas time, and he has all this food right on the wall here. It's in Korean, Portuguese, and English, and Chinese. And we're gonna end the video. So this was Invernarios, and then Dorna Lane was right down that way.
Chinese liquor and Portuguese boats, oh yeah, 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 liquor and boats. Street names make you contemplate. I'm thinking about liquor and boats.